Hello everyone, myself Hitesh Guru and today date 20th November 2022. Today we will discuss about the string buffer and string builder in Java. So Java which provides the three classes that represent the sequence of character. There are string, string builder and string buffer. The string which is a immutable class, whereas the string buffer and string builder there are mutable classes. So first we discuss about the string builder class in Java. In Java, string builder class, which is used to create a mutable class, and it is same as string buffer class, except that it is a non-synchronized classes. Now we see the important constructor of a string builder class. First one is a string builder method. It is a empty. It is create a empty method, empty class with the initial value of capacity of 16. Second is string builder in a bracket string str. It is create a specified string with a specified string builder. Third one is string builder int capacity. It creates a empty string builder with the initial capacity as a length. Now we see the important method of a string builder classes. First one is public string builder append method. It is used to append the specified string with this string. The append method which is overloaded by the append char, append boolean, append int, append float, etc. Second is public string builder insert method. It is used to insert the specified string with this string. It also overloaded by int char, int boolean, int insert boolean, insert character, insert float, etc. Third one is public string builder replace method. It is used to replace the specified string with their start index and end index. Similarly, public string builder delete method, which is also used to delete the specified string with the start index and end index. And last one is public string builder reverse method. It is used to reverse the specified string. Now we discuss the string buffer class. In Java, string buffer class, which is also used to create a mutable class, and it is same as the string, but expected it is mutable, that is it can be changed. The string buffer which is synchronized classes. Now we see the important constructor of string buffer class. First one is string buffer method. It is a empty method. It is a create empty string buffer which is initial capacity as a 16. Second is string buffer string str, which is a create specified string. And third one is string substring string buffer int capacity. It is empty string with capacity as a length. Now important method as a string buffer are string public synchronized string buffer append method, then insert method, then a public synchronized replace method, public synchronized string buffer delete method, etc. Now we see the difference between string buffer and string builder. So first is string buffer, which is synchronized, that is it a thread safe, and string builder which is not non-synchronized, that is non-thread safe. Second is string buffer, which is less efficient as a string builder, and a string builder which is more efficient as a more efficient than string buffer. And last one is string buffer, which is introduced in a Java 1.0, and string builder which is introduced in a Java 1.5. That's all about the string buffer and string builder class in Java. Thank you.